Welcome to ifactioner.com video tutorials. مرحبا بكم في ifactioner.com video tutorials. Lesson 17 of Learn English. تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية. Weather. It's too hot today. It's too hot today. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. Winter is about to begin. Winter is about to begin. Flowers bloom in spring. Flowers bloom in spring. Leaves fall in autumn. Leaves fall in autumn. Weather. It's hot today. It's raining outside. Winter is about to begin. Flowers bloom in spring. Leaves fall in autumn. Weather. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's snowing. It's snowing. Summer is about to begin. Summer is about to begin. It's breezy. It's breezy. I love autumn. I love autumn. Weather. It's cloudy. It's snowing. Summer is about to begin. It's breezy. I love autumn. Lesson 17. Learn English by ifactioner.com. Weather. It's too hot today. It's raining outside. Winter is about to begin. Flowers bloom in spring. Leaves fall in autumn. It's cloudy. It's snowing. Summer is about to begin. It's breezy. I love autumn. Please subscribe, share and like. Shukran.